In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Voice Changer in Google Meet. To get started, open your browser and go to Google Meet. From the search results, click the official Google Meet page and sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Google Meet home screen where you can start setting everything up. From there, click on New Meeting. You can choose Instant Meeting or join any meeting option that works for you. The exact option doesn't really matter for this process because the main goal is simply to get into the Google Meet interface, or at least to the screen right before entering a meeting. That's where you'll be able to adjust the audio settings later. Before changing your voice inside Google Meet, you'll need a Voice Changer tool installed in your browser or on your system. Search for Clownfish Voice Changer for Chrome in the Chrome Web Store. When you find it, click Add to Chrome to install the extension. If you prefer a different voice changing tool, that's also fine, as long as it gives you an audio device or extension that Google Meet can recognize. Once the voice changer has been added and set up, go back to your Google Meet session. Now it's time to connect that tool to Meet. In the meeting window, look at the bottom menu bar and click the 3 vertical dots to open more options. From that menu, click Settings. Inside Settings, open the audio section. Here you'll see your available audio device options. Find the speaker setting and open the drop-down menu. Then choose the extension or voice changer device you downloaded. In some cases, it may appear with a name similar to an audio cable or virtual audio device. Select that option so Google Meet uses the voice changer instead of your default audio route. After selecting it, you can close the settings panel. If your tool shows an option like speakers with a virtual audio device name, select that as the active device. That means Google Meet is now linked to the voice changer. A helpful tip here is to test your setup before an important call. Join a meeting early or use a quick test meeting so you can confirm the audio device is selected correctly. If the effect doesn't seem to work right away, reopening the audio settings and checking the selected device usually helps. And that's it. You've now set up a voice changer for Google Meet and connected it through the audio settings so you can use your selected voice effect during meetings.